Pretty sight right there. Off down here in the river bottom, trying to catch a few fish. Alright, I'm out here today just off the Washita River, doing a little afternoon fishing. Try to get in here on this cypress tree, catch a bass. Can't get no perch to incorporate. There he is right there, first cast. Look at there. A nice little heater bass right there. That'll work. Pull back up to this tree. First cast, catch one. Show y'all what we're using right here. We've got some zoom. These are the baby brush hog. That color is black. It's got some red and purple glitter, some silver glitter in it. It's called the South African Special baby brush hog. Using a 1/4 ounce weight up there. We got a number 3 Gamakatsu offset hook, just a worm hook, Texas rig. Pretty nice little bass. Just keep pounding these trees. See if we can catch another ditch pickle here. Kayak bass fishing. Should be just bass fishing today, I guess. Trying to catch a perch, and that's what I catch. Good gracious. Oh, Charlie Brewer slider. All we doing just Texas rigging these cypress roots in here. Them bass, when that water drops out of these sloughs, and bass will just gang up in these cypress, in these roots and cypress knees. I'll just find one of these big cypress, just work my way around it. Flip that Texas rig in there. Water's kind of muddy, so I'm using that black color. If it was a little lighter and wasn't quite as muddy, I'd be using a more of a, probably a watermelon red or something like that. It's only about 2 or 3 foot deep in here where we at. Caught a couple pretty good bass off this tree just a little bit ago. Just come back in here and work it again. There he is right there. Oh, that's a bring on. Goggle-eye. That works too. That's a bonus fish. Pretty goggle-eye. Some people call them a warmouth. It is actually a warmouth. We just call them goggle-eye down here. That's a good one. Pretty little slough right here off the Washita River. Waters fell out. Left a few bass in here. Y'all thought I didn't catch ditch pickles. I will if they bite. We'll fry them up, put a little mustard on them. You got to put some mustard on them. It's gonna try to catch a few perch. They didn't want to incorporate real well, so we swapped over to bass. They were more than willing. Pretty nice mess of bass right there. Got a limit, got my 10, got a goggle-eye to go with them. Get home, clean them up. Look right there. Old Charlie Brewer slider got that one. Biggest one. The bass want to bite and perch don't. You just got to swap sometimes. Hey, we equal opportunity fishermen. Y'all know I come down here looking for some perch and didn't find them. Caught one, got him in the kayak, and he flipped out of the kayak. Pretty nice little black crappie. But we ain't gonna sweat it. Y'all know it ain't always about how many fish you catch. Look at that right there. We really are in God's country.